Today I'm going to show you how to put together the regulated medical waste container that is disposable. To get started with that, you're going to need the outer cardboard, inner cardboard, a biomedical waste red bag, your solidifier, and then of course, some tape. Let's get started. So the first part is this inner cardboard part. I'm going to take that out, fold it down, and tape it down for good measure. Afterwards, flip that over and open up your red biomedical waste bag. You're going to take your red bag and you're going to put your inner cardboard liner inside of the biomedical waste bag, inside of it. Then you're going to take your red bag and fold that on the inside of this. After your red bag is around your inner lining, then you can take your solidifier and pour this into the inner lining. This is what's going to soak up all of the liquid and turn it into a solid so we don't have a mess on our hands. Now we get to put the outer lining together, the cardboard part. So we're going to open this up and go towards the bottom first. So we're going to start with this flap that says fold first. Push that down. Then around here, fold second. The other wing is folding third. And this last one, fold last and push down under, and it locks. Before we put together the top of the box, we want to make sure that we take our inner liner. Now we've already put our solidifier in here. We've got the liner with the biohazard bag on it over top of the cardboard inner liner. We want to take this and put it inside. Now what you want to do before you do that is fold away these wings because they have sharp corners. They have a tendency to get caught on the bag and we don't want to perforate our bag. So just fold those away and then still watch as your inner liner slides down in. Make sure it doesn't get caught. This is going to be the top. This is going to be where we put in our samples, but before we do those, we want to construct our handles. You'll see this perforated part here. Simply fold that over and slide that in between the inner liner and your outer cardboard casing. Then puncture your handle. Now you've got a great handle there. Do the same thing with the other side. And now we have the ability to pick up and carry this around. Perforated edges on everything, make sure that we fold those and then simply tuck it in between, again, the inner liner and your outer cardboard casing. Now we can push here. Now this is the only time you should be pushing down into this area. Once there's samples in there or some type of sharp in your urine specimen cups, we do not want to put our hand down inside of here. But for this first part, make sure that we just get that open just a little bit so we can slide those in. This part here you can leave open while we're using it, and then once we're done, you take this tab, push it down into there, and we're ready to take this away to be disposed of and incinerated. If you get confused at all, there's a full set of assembly instructions for the container, the liner, and the use of the plastic bag on the back from start to finish. If you have any questions about this, see me, see management, Frankie, Aaron, we'll be happy to help. You can also see Pop. He'll help us put these together as well.